What's going on, everybody? Thanks for coming back and checking out another video. Today's video, we got the Tesla in the garage, and I have a spoiler that EV Base has sent me to install in the car. Make it change the look. Let's get into it. All right, so got your spoiler, and it goes on the top like this. Now it has these little cutouts. So if you can see that on the screen there, if it'll focus on that for you, you can actually see that little divot. So it actually has like that Model 3 performance spoiler look. You just don't have to spend all that money on Tesla. There's a good shot of it. You can see it right there. Instead of spending all the money on Tesla product, you can get this one. And it's going to be just as good looking, it looks like. And this one is not carbon fiber. They do have some carbon fiber ones. This one, because nothing on the car is carbon fiber, so I just felt like it kind of was silly to get that one. But mine actually came with pre-taped, and I know a lot of them don't. Again, this is EV Base. I'll have a link down below, and I also have a product code for you guys for this. This kind of looks like this on here. So, I mean, it looks really good. It can only go one way, so you can't do it upside down. And they do give you all the instructions that you need. They give you little tools and stuff. So we're going to install this to show you guys how to do it, or how I'm going to do it. Here's everything they give you. Instructions with a little barcode thingy to look at. And they give you the tape, which mine already came taped. So if you needed to put more on there, I guess you could. More tape. They give you these little guides. So you can actually stick this on the car right where you want to sit it in at, like that. So it's kind of a guide, and it tells you up, down, which you should know what up, down is on this thing. You shouldn't need that. And then on the back of this card, they've given you the pre-scrubbed, like the stuff to pre-scrub the car with. Or you don't scrub it, but you know, to clean it so you can get better bond, called adhesion primer or something like that. Yep. So we're going to take those off, put these on. Again, I think this is just nothing more than an alcohol wipe. I think that's all this really is. Helps clean the area. So take the tape, and you want to mark the center of the spoiler. All right, so let's see how wide it is. $50 inches, so at 25 you want to mark it, which is going to be right there. Use this as a guide, kind of showing where the center is, which is going to be right there. So this is my center point. I don't know if this is showing up on camera though. I might be like kind of off-centered from the camera right now. Now, you want to put that on there in a way kind of like you're going to need it, and then measure to make sure you have a good like 2.5 inches on that side. Two 2 3/4. So this is where we need to be at. Right there. So what you're going to do is you want to somehow push that on there. Yes, I'm using my belly. And this is going to be the center. Right there. All right, and now I have these guides, which I don't really know that I need, but We'll see, they sent them. All right, so now you have your mark on where you need it to be. What you want to do is probably peel it up from this side. But leave the middle one. The middle one I have 2 pieces on. So that one didn't really matter. It's like right here, for example, I got 2 pieces. So I want that to stay there. I'll peel that one up. Now we're going to stick it right there. Let me wipe it one more time, just to make sure I have it good. Enough all the way to the ends. All right. I think I should put another string of tape in the middle of that, maybe. All right, so now that I've got some extra tape on there in the center, you can see all your tape right there in the middle. So I actually have 3 things of it on there, all around the sides and stuff, as you can see there. So now we're going to come over to the car and actually put it onto the car itself. All right. I'm going to peel all this off. All right. So now you have all your tape off. We're going to stick it on here and we're going to match it to that middle piece of tape that I have right there first. Put these edges kind of right there and just kind of make it go in. Just like that and set it down. Now you're going to push it. Now take the tape they sent you and you're going to apply some force on it to hold it down there for a while. They said to don't get it wet for 1 to 2 days after, so just make sure that you don't drive your car in the rain for 1 to 2 days. Now as far as the tape goes, you can take this off. Whenever you think it has set, you can take it off. Actually, guys, so you can see here we have it on the car, and so we have. So again, if you're just tuning in like late for some reason and fast forwarding, what we did was we cleaned the car and then we prepped it with the provided pre-adhesive stuff, which is like an alcohol wipe essentially. And then you measure the spoiler, and then you put a piece of tape in the center of the spoiler so you know what the center is, and then you measure the width of your trunk and put another piece of tape in the middle, line those up, and then you have these guide marks you put on the sides, and just make sure it's good and centered, and push it on there, pull off the red tape, put red tape on, it's held on with tape, not screws, and so you can take it off later if you don't like it with some fish line or something, you know, to get that off. And yeah, you push it on there as hard as you can, get it stuck. You take the painter's tape, because that's what you use on anything that's painted, and you put as much on there as you can, push it in there hard, and get it in there, make it stick just right, you know. And it says not to get it wet for 1 to 2 days. So you don't want to drive it in the rain for 1 to 2 days. So just make sure that it's nice on there and stuck. Now the tape, just use your best judgment on when you need to take the tape off. Nothing on there tells you, like, the instructions don't say take it off at this time or that time or anything like that. So just make sure you use your best judgment on that. Get the spoiler on there. All right, so We're gonna let this sit for a while, and then we'll come back out here and we'll take off the tape and see what it looks like. All right, so we've had this on here for, I don't know, probably like an hour and a half, 2 hours, all the tape. So I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling all this tape off now so we can kind of see what it looks like. I think it's gonna look good. Now, of course, anytime you do things like this on your car, you always usually put some little fine scratches around on it and stuff. So I'm going to take some little like polish and just kind of polish this back out again, just to make sure that, you know, get all those light scratches I may have induced on the paint off, as well as this piece. And put some more put like some ceramic on this as well. So there it is. Looks good, I think. I don't know, what do you guys think? You like that? I like it. I think it looks pretty good. Yeah. Fits pretty nice. Doesn't look like there's any like really gaps anywhere. Fits nice, probably equal spacing there, and yeah, it looks good. Let's see what it looks like from a distance here. Yeah, nice little aesthetic, gives it a little bit more of a sporty look. Let's get you guys over there and look at it. All right, so yeah, here it is. Here is the spoiler. You can see kind of up underneath there that it's nice and solid all the way around. No gaps. It fits nicely. Focus. There we go. Yeah. You kind of see what it looks like more from the side here. So you can see it gives it more of a sportier look there. Yeah. I like it. All right, you guys. So again, this is from EV Base. Thank you for sending it to me. EV Base did reach out and ask me if I would like to put this on the car and review it. Now, as you guys do follow my channel, know I do honest reviews. Even though someone sends me something, I don't, say it's good. If it's bad, it's bad. Which in some other videos I have said some things that were bad. So again, they did send the spoiler to me to test and see what I think about it, and I do like it. Looks great on the car. So next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drive around with it for a while and kind of make sure it stays there nice and sturdy. Stuck on there. It doesn't seem like it's going anywhere. I mean, it's pretty evenly made like everywhere. So yeah, you guys, if you have any questions, drop it in the comment section below. I also have a discount code for EV Base as well. So if anybody is interested in picking up some EV stuff, let me know. So yeah, you guys, I do have a discount code which will be in the description below. I got a discount code to use on EV Base to pick up any of your EV accessories, anything you want for a Tesla or any other EV. Again, that link to the spoiler, I believe it's about $330, something like that. Link to that will be in the description below. The discount code will be there as well as link to my Amazon storefront where you can pick up anything I use in the videos, which today's video, you'll just be looking for like my camera equipment I'm using. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, comment those below, like, share the video, and by the time this video gets posted, I should have that partnership applied for. As of filming right now, I'm only like 2 hours away, so yeah, so we should be there. But yeah, link to the product below, discount code below, EV base. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, see y'all. Bye.